I'm a pen tester. I literally get paid to break into systems so companies can fix them. But the biggest security hole I ever found wasn't in a corporate server. It was sitting on my own bookshelf. I have one of those cheap 360 degrees smart cameras to watch my apartment. Last night, I was sitting on my couch in total silence when I heard it, the tiny motor inside the camera whirring. I looked up. The lens was slowly panning away from the door and pointing directly at my face. I hadn't opened the app. I grabbed my laptop and ran a network traffic analysis. My upload speed was maxed out. My camera was streaming a high-definition 4K feed to an encrypted onion bridge. My stomach dropped. I didn't kill the connection. I wanted to see who was on the other end. I bypassed the camera's firmware and opened the hidden logs. It wasn't just one person. There was a chat room active on the metadata. Hundreds of users were bidding on private access to my living room. They weren't just watching me. They were using the camera's high-res lens to zoom in on my laptop screen every time I typed a password. That's when the camera's built-in speaker crackled to life. A voice, low and distorted, whispered my full legal name. Then it said, "Thanks for the access, Samuel." I've wiped my network and smashed the hardware, but I can still feel that lens moving. If your camera has a status light and it turns blue when you didn't touch it, someone is watching, and they aren't just looking at you, they're selling your life for Bitcoin.